Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a helical spring in Autodesk Inventor 2023. The command which we will use in this will be the coil command. So let's get started with today's tutorial. We'll take a new standard part in millimeter. Now take 2D sketch. Select the XY plane. It will be your front plane. Now construct a line. Make a line of dimension 50. Okay, right click and exit. Now construct one more line straight. It will be a random line. Give it a construction geometry, and this also construction. Let us give this also a dimension of 25. Now take the center point circle command. Select this endpoint. Make a circle of dia 7 mm and finish sketch. This is the basic sketch of for the spring. Now we will take the coil command. By default, the profile will be selected as this circular profile, and it will ask you in which axis you want to move the spring. You want this axis upwards. Now there are 3-4 parameters. You want pitch and revolution, pitch and height. So we will take pitch and revolution. We will give the pitch will be 10 mm and the revolutions will be of 3. Okay, change the view to shaded. It is much better. Okay, as you can see, this is the starting point for the spring and this is the end. Rotate this profile. Go to back view. Now take a 2D sketch and select this end face. Okay, go to project geometry. Select this face and finish sketch. Now go to this coil command. Select this sketch. Right click and activate its visibility. Okay, go to coil command once again. Select this face as the profile you want to make spring, and we have activated this profile. I will tell you why. Select this axis. We need the same axis, but it will start from this end point. From here this will start. Now we want to change the pitch of the spring. Now we want to change the pitch to 30 and revolutions to 10. Move this view. Okay, now okay, the dia will remain the same. Similarly, we want the similar profile, this profile over here as well, as shown in this. These two are same, this pitch is different. So go to back view once again, apply same method, take a 2D sketch, select this face and project geometry, select this face once again and finish sketch. Now go to coil command once again, select this as profile, want to make spring, and for axis select this axis. Now we need same profile which we have built at bottom, so pitch will be 10 and revolution will be and OK. Now you can switch off this, right click and turn off the visibility. From one sketch you can have all the profiles been made. You can change its appearance whichever you want, like you want red. So I hope you have understood all the parameters and the commands. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like, subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.